What if you could break free from the endless cycle of exterior deterioration? Introducing the PU Shield Clear, a single, transparent coat that delivers 15 to 20 years of superior weather resistance and dramatically improves the life cycle cost of the exterior materials you already have. For stores and facilities, keeping facades and parapet signage looking their best has always meant repainting every 7 to 10 years, and that traditional loop is both time-consuming and costly. First, the surface deteriorates. Then scaffolding has to be erected, a major expense every single time. The surface is repainted only to deteriorate again within 7 to 10 years, and the whole cycle starts over. Beyond the money, there's the repeated disruption of construction work and the constant pressure of only being able to fix problems after they've already appeared. It's an endless cycle of reacting to damage instead of preventing it. So the real question becomes, what if you could step off this loop entirely? This calls for a fundamental shift in thinking, from repair it when it fails to protect it for the long haul. The conventional approach means periodic repainting, roughly every 7 to 10 years. The new standard is different, one application that keeps performing for 15 to 20 years. Instead of chasing deterioration after it happens, you protect the surface from the start and let that protection last. This is made possible by PU Shield Clear, a next-generation exterior protection system designed to break the repainting cycle for good. So why can it protect for up to 20 years? The answer lies in its core technology, an aliphatic polyurea fused with a UV-blocking topcoat. Compare it with conventional paint. Against ultraviolet light, ordinary coatings yellow and fade, while PU Shield Clear blocks over 99% of UV. Against water and everyday damage, conventional paints are vulnerable to hydrolysis. PU Shield Clear offers more than twice their durability. And the maintenance cycle tells the whole story. Where conventional paint needs redoing every 7 to 10 years, PU Shield Clear requires no repainting for 15 to 20. Superior chemistry translated directly into a longer-lasting surface. PU Shield Clear brings together 5 outstanding advantages. First, long-term UV protection, blocking over 99% of ultraviolet rays. Second, superior weather resistance with 90% gloss retention even after 10 years. Third, color restoration. It can bring back the beauty of surfaces already faded by the sun. Fourth, high durability. A single application lasts 15 to 20 years. And fifth, strong adhesion and versatile use, bonding reliably to wood, metal, and many other materials. Together, these 5 strengths make PU Shield Clear far more than a coating. It's protection, restoration, and lasting value in one clear layer. Here's one of the most striking benefits. You simply apply it. Over the years, exterior materials chalk and fade under constant UV exposure and weathering, losing the color and gloss they began with. PU Shield Clear works to reverse that. With a single application, faded surfaces can regain much of their original color and shine. No stripping, no replacement. Take a look at these real examples. A parapet sign brought back from heavy fading and a decorative metal panel restored to life. It's not only protection for the future, it's a way to revive the appearance your building has already lost. Now, let's take a look at some actual installation case studies. For the highest level of performance, PU Shield Clear works as part of a layered system, a powerful, multi-layer defense that keeps your existing exterior fully intact. It starts with the substrate, your current exterior material. On top of that goes a dedicated U-primer, which forms the optimal foundation for adhesion. Next comes the heart of the system, PU Shield Clear itself, the core layer delivering 15 to 20 years of weather resistance and fade prevention. And for even greater performance, an optional topcoat can be added, Super Glass Barrier, an anti-static, super hydrophilic, anti-fouling layer that keeps dirt from taking hold. Each layer has its role, and together they protect without hiding the surface beneath. Now let's look at the numbers over 20 years. With a conventional method, you repaint every 7 to 10 years, a first application, then a second one around year 10, each bringing additional labor and scaffolding costs. With PU Shield Clear, it's a single application that lasts the full 15 to 20 years, with no repainting in between. When you add it all up, PU Shield Clear can cut your total maintenance coating costs by approximately half. That's not just a better coating, it's a smarter, long-term investment. Protect the surface once, and save on every repainting cycle you would otherwise have paid for. So, why choose PU Shield Clear? It comes down to 3 things. Exceptional weather resistance, protecting your building from UV and deterioration for 15 to 20 years. Remarkable color restoration, a single application can bring faded exteriors back to a like-new condition. And significant cost reduction, because that one application eliminates repeated scaffolding and maintenance costs for 15 to 20 years. Longer life, restored beauty, and lower cost, all from a single clear coat. It's time to move from an era of repairing after deterioration to an era of sustaining long-term performance. With PU Shield Clear, you can extend the life of your building and carry its asset value into the future. To learn more, visit us online at sketch-english.com or contact Sketch Business Management. PU Shield Clear, protection that lasts.